Hi there. Today we'll learn how to make or manage internal order groups. So it's not creating an internal order, but to manage or create a new internal order groups. So before we start in Fury app, I will show how it looks like in SAP GUI app. So going back to SAP, the T code is KOH3. So this is the in the legacy system. You can see that all internal order groups, you can see it here, like according to, like for our company purpose, like this. So everything we created, it will come here. So these are the in the legacy system, SAP GUI app, or even in the new S/4HANA. So let's see. So anything you made here, it will come in Fury app, and if same vice versa, anything you make in Fury app, it will come here. So either way you can do it, but as it is more convenient to use Fury app, so we use this one. We go there, manage internal order. Either if we want to see our slab already, what we made it, we can search from here in the filter. If you know exact words, but exact word, otherwise with the uh, with contain whatever, because it will make it dynamics like this thing. Go, you will see all the IO groups which you made in the S4HANA ECC which has this 1800. It will show it up here like this one we saw there. So same thing, like if we want to go inside, we'll see the same thing which we in the GUI app we saw it. So it's same thing, same, but it's in Fury app. So let's start how to make a new group here. You can go to the new app. Anything you can write, like for the testing purpose, we write like 1800 underscore T2. This is the group name. We can copy from as well. Like if you want to copy it, we can search in the selection. But we'll do this later on. So simply go there, make it this. This is the top level node, parent node. Now you have two options, like if you want to mention the IO number, you can put it here, make a new group, or use a group which you already made. So new child group, let's see, child group name is like T2 underscore child group. Okay, is invalid. Why it is invalid? You want to create a row with it. This is not a valid name. This is not a valid. Contain maximum of 10 characters plus a 4 characters. It also separated by a dot from the name. Okay, something like that. The name, so we make it simple, like T2 child group. Let's see. Okay, it is there. In that we want to add some internal order or groups. Either we can add internal order directly, like the one by one. If we want to search it, come here, select any of them. So after that, when you are selecting, you have to go here and go this thing. Then this is the final selection. You have to make this thing. So now it is correct. Okay. Same thing, like if we want to add some group on the main parent node, we can select there, go to add child group. Before we selected internal like group, and which group these are like already which we made it. So just check, search. So these are the available groups which has this 1800 written. So we can select. So it's interesting, like we already use 41 series IO. So if I select again any group which has 41, it should give error. Let's see, or it will override. See, go there. 41. Okay, in that group. Okay, interesting. So what happened in this group? These were already excluded. That's why it allowed it to. Otherwise, if the same were there, so it will not allow us. Like for case, same thing there. We add some internal order. Let's check it out. Okay, same. It is already there, so we select this there. So it will give the error if we see the error used already in the another node. Okay, so in the blue node it is already there, that's why it is overlapping, so it will not allow. So it's a basic behavior that if it is already in some of any IO which is already in any of the group, it will not allow us to do this there. So this is that, and after that, if we want, these are only two ones, so it's not a good example. Let's delete that node, go to the main one, add group. So we go with this one instead of this. Let's see. So in 4200, so now the 4200 group which already made some time ago, so it will come with all the things. So this is how you can do this thing. You can again go to level 2, expand to level 2. You can play around this thing if you want to collapse, expand, or this. And now we just want that we are just removing this all. Let's see, will it allow us? Delete not, yes. Still in use, it is still in use. Either I already. Maybe in GUI app it is there. Somehow it is picking that it is still in use. I don't know where it is. Did I open any other things? No. Okay, so it's 4200. So now we are going to add some. Yeah, something. Sometimes this happen. Everything got gray out. So either you can go back, save it, and then press the edit button. So sometimes this happen. So okay, let's save it. Data saved. Okay. Now if we, yeah, see, now it is going. Let's try to clear whether this up now. Still no. Okay, so last thing I just want to add an internal order range. So from, so again, as we already use 4200 series, so it will not allow us the same internal order. There should be something different. So internal processing group, internal type. So we want 40. 300 series because 4200 already there. Let's see. Select the first pattern. Or how can you find an internal artifact? So what I will do, 43, 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros and 3 digits. So 43, 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. That is picking up. Or it is equal to this thing. Interesting. So in that case, so like why is that anything before this 201 I want? So last one is this. Okay, so let's see. Your range will come like this. So this is how it works. So let's try another one. Go to range here. So now I want from 200 to 300. Will it allow us? Yeah. So in this way you can just wide range from 200 to 300, whether 200 IO is created or not, but anything in between it will show all. So this is how you can do this thing. You can save it. Again, expand to 2 level, and this is our T2. Go back and again, because every time I have to select for my company code, whenever I select it shows the IO group for some other company code. So for me to select only for my company code, so what I will do, I go here, contains 1800, any group which start with this thing will be there if I select this. So if this is my search every time, what I will do, I will go there, save as, and make a name and save it. So next time when I come, I just change the name at the top and it will come in, because I already did. So I will just show you that this is the one I already did. So if I go back home, come here, select my variant, go, so it will show my But somehow there is no option for by default, because in some of the Fury apps there is an option. Let's see if I create a new one. Maybe I misheard that time. Save as. Okay, I'm just searching like contains 1800. Manage test. Yeah, there's no, see, if there is something right public or as default, so we can, if we can select it, so it will, whenever we open a Fury app it will come. But in this Fury app this function is not available, so every time we have to manually select this app. Is that we come here, select our variant and go. So all related there. You can open any of the group. You want to change it, edit options there as well. Here is gray out, so if it is here gray out, you have to go up at the menu bar, change it, edit it. Sometime it will not allow, save it, then edit it, and if not working even then go back and come here. So it's something like this. So we made this 1800 T2. Let's see in how it looks like in GUI app. So it's KOH3 for the display. And just come here, select 1800 star. So that's the one which we made. And here website will show like this. Okay. It's difficult to work on GUI app after you work on this. So that's it for the internal order management. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And until for the next video, goodbye.